Hey everyone, Salams and welcome back to Clean with Sarah. Today we're making a simple bathroom cleaner that you can use on your bathroom sinks, the toilet bowl inside and out, and even the bathroom floors. It's specifically formulated to cut through soap scum and it also deodorizes as it cleans. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so go ahead and grab yourself a clean and empty spray bottle. Just make sure that it can hold at least 2 cups or 16 ounces of liquid. So first we need 2 cups of distilled water or water that you've boiled and cooled. And secondly, some Castile soap or any natural liquid soap. And next we need some borax. Now borax is a natural deodorizer and it's also great on surface stains, so it's good to use on your sinks and that pesky toilet bowl. And finally, you'll need some washing soda. Now washing soda is like baking soda, but it's a little stronger and better at lifting stains, so I like to use it for the bathroom, but you can either leave it out or just replace it with baking soda. Okay, so we want to start out with some very warm water, so I like to measure it out into a measuring cup and then pop it into the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so now that we have our warmed water, we can go ahead and add our ½ teaspoon each of borax and washing soda and stir it very well to combine and dissolve the powders. Now pour the mixture into your spray bottle using a funnel. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, cover up your bottle, and give it a really good shake to mix everything up. And we're done! Next time, I'll show you how I use this bathroom cleaner to clean the sinks, counters, and the toilets in all my bathrooms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time!